Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 540 Augustine Street in Rochester. This is an amazing property. Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. You enter this classic home with a beautiful enclosed porch, leading to a spacious living room with a leaded glass window open to a dining room, all with hardwood floors, and a kitchen with a breakfast bar and an adjacent powder room. The upstairs has a beautiful landing featuring custom moldings with hand-painted hardwood floors, plus 3 spacious bedrooms, all with hardwood floors and an updated full bath. An added bonus is the 4th bedroom on the 3rd floor to accommodate family or guest. This rear property borders Aquinas Institute, and you could even watch a game. This property is located on the north side of Rochester with easy access to all of Monroe County and Lake Ontario. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 540 Augustine Street in Rochester. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.